Welcome to Month 7, Lesson 7, Grains. The grain food group includes foods that are primarily made from wheat, rice, oats, cornmeal, barley, or other cereal grain. The foods in the grain group are filled with vitamins and minerals and are a good source of fiber that you need every day to be healthy. In this month's lesson, you will learn why eating grains is important for good nutrition and overall health, how many grains you need to eat to be healthy, including serving size, the importance of eating whole grains, shopping for grains and how to identify whole grain foods, food safety for storage and handling, and cooking tips. Grains are full of vitamins and minerals that keep us healthy. It is important to make 1/4 of your plate grains at mealtime and to make half your grains whole grains. Grains provide many nutrients that are important for your health and body maintenance. Eating grains, especially whole grains, as part of a healthy diet can help reduce the risk of some chronic diseases like heart disease. Key nutrients in grains include dietary fiber, which prevents constipation and helps the body absorb nutrients. It also helps lower blood cholesterol levels and contain blood sugar. Dietary fiber also provides a feeling of fullness with fewer calories. B vitamins, including thiamine, riboflavin, and niacin, play a key role in converting carbohydrates to energy. They are also important for a healthy nervous system. Many refined grains, like white bread, white flour, and some cereals, have B vitamins added to the foods. This is often stated on food packages using the term enriched. Folate is another B vitamin that helps the body produce red blood cells and helps reduce the risk of some birth defects during pregnancy. Key minerals in grains include iron, which is used to carry oxygen to the blood. Whole and enriched refined grains are major sources of iron in the diet. Magnesium, which is used for building bones and releasing energy from muscles. Selenium, which is important for a healthy immune system, gives protection from infection, and has anti-inflammatory properties. There are major differences between whole grains and refined grains you may find in your grocery store. Whole grains contain the entire grain kernel, including the bran, endosperm, and germ. They also have higher fiber content. Remember that fiber prevents constipation and helps the body absorb nutrients, helps to lower blood cholesterol levels and control blood sugar, and provides a feeling of fullness with fewer calories. Examples include whole wheat flour, popcorn, and brown rice. Refined grains, on the other hand, have been milled to remove the bran, outer layer, and germ. This gives the grain a finer texture and improves the shelf life, but removes dietary fiber, iron, and many B vitamins. Examples include white flour, bread, and rice. The amount of grains you should eat depends on your sex, age, and physical activity level. Here are the daily recommendations for grain consumption for people who get less than 30 minutes of moderate physical activity, such as brisk walking, per day. Those who are more or less physically active should talk to their doctor about how many grains they need to be healthy. Remember that at least half of these grains you eat each day should be whole grains. Not all grain foods are created equal. You cannot directly substitute a cup of pasta for a cup of hot cereal. See at the table what equals a serving of grains in the binder to better understand grain equivalencies. Persons with diabetes should follow the recommendations of their medical provider, dietitian, or diabetes educator. Grains are an important part of many recipes. Use the following tips when cooking with grains. Use brown rice or whole grain pasta in recipes that call for pasta or rice. Use whole grain barley in soups or stews. Substitute whole wheat or oat flour for up to half the flour in baked products like cookies, cakes, breads, and muffins. The food will be heavier and denser. Use rolled oats or crushed whole grain cereal as breading for meats and as filler in meatloaf. Make sure you explore the binder this month to learn about exciting topics like how to shop for grains and how to count carbohydrates. Don't forget to check out the end of lesson trailed recipes like pancakes. If you fill out the postcard in your binder or bring it into Missouri Breaks, you will receive an extra entry in this month's raffle.